Hello, this is your musician friend, AK, coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Oh Give Thanks, and that is by Vincent Bohanan. Guys, this is a fun song. We're going to get into it. We're going to have a good time on today. And you know what? This song was requested by Cynthia. Thank you so much, Cynthia, for this awesome request.
And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life.
Guys, we're in the key of B. Let's go ahead and get it. That's B, D flat, E flat, E, G flat, A flat, B flat, and B. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, we're going to do like we always do. Let's just go ahead and stretch our hands. All right, let's stretch them out. Wiggle them, get all the nerves out. All right, guys, we are ready. Let's get ready to play Oh Give Thanks.
Put your hands together, let's worship the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords this morning. Everybody say, oh! Aren't you thankful for mercy today? Come on, say, how many are glad for the mercy of God? Do you know His mercy endures forever? Does somebody have a testimony can wave at me this morning and say, God's mercy endures forever? Say, oh! Come on, put your hands together today. Say it's mercy. Somebody say forever. Aren't you thankful for mercy? Somebody say, oh. Why don't you lift your hands and your hearts to Him this morning and begin to magnify the King? Why don't you give Him thanks from a deeper place?
To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers.
Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out with let me give you that. So we're starting out with, and all we're doing is we're just playing a flat minor chord, right? That's A flat, B, and then we're playing our E flat. And then they're doing this beautiful thing. All they're doing is they're going from the 2 flat, right there on the 2 flat, they're playing this G minor chord, going up to the 2. And right there on the 2, we're playing an A flat minor chord. Then we're going, we're playing just a regular G flat major chord on the 5. They're doing this nice little turnaround. All right, let me give you that. So we're playing our 5 and our B flat. Then we're going down to our 5 flat and we're playing our A. And then we're going to our 4 and our A flat. And then we're going. Yeah, beautiful. I love that, right? All we're doing is we're going 3 flat and we're playing our G flat in our right hand. And then we're going up to our 3 and we're playing our G. And then we're going up to our 6 flat and we're playing this G flat diminished 7 chord. And then they're going. Yeah, let me give you that walk up. We're going A flat minor on the 6. Then we're doing this diminished chord, G diminished chord, right here on the 7. And then we're going up to our A flat minor chord on the 1. Then they repeat. walk up, they're going, we're on the 2, we're playing a regular E major chord, going up to our G flat major chord on the 3, going up to our 4, we're playing this A flat minor chord, going to our 5, G flat major chord, going up to our E major chord on the 6, and then we're going into our G flat major chord on the 7. Then we're playing our B major chord on the 1. They're doing this nice turnaround. Just an A flat minor 7 chord on the 5. Yeah, I know it sounds kind of weird, but yeah, that's the chord, guys. We're playing a G diminished 7 chord on the 2 flat. And then we start the song. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for he is good. All right, let me give you that. So we're starting out right here. We're playing a 1, and we're playing this nice, beautiful chord, G flat 6 chord. Going up to our G7 flat 5 chord on the 3. I'm playing this nice, beautiful cluster of a chord. Grab it. We're on the 6. Then they're going. All we're doing is we're going 2, 5, 1. Right there on the 2, we're playing this beautiful chord. This is a D flat 13 chord. Going to our 5, we're playing an A7 chord. Then we're resolving with our B13 chord on the 1. Then we're going to our 4. That's a B6 chord. G flat major chord on the 6. Then we're going to our 2. We're playing this beautiful chord right here. Grab it. Walk up to the 5 flat with that same chord. Now we're on our 5 and we're playing this G flat dominant 7 chord. They're doing this beautiful turnaround. All right, let me give you that. 4, we're playing this A flat minor chord. 3, we're playing this G flat 6 chord. Going to our 2 and we're playing this beautiful E6 chord. Then we're on our 1, we're playing this G flat 6 chord. We just do it again. Oh, give thanks. So the second time through, I'm playing my G flat 6 chord on the 1, going to the 3, and I'm playing this G7 flat 5 chord. Now the second time through, we're playing our B7 chord right here. Just change position. Instead of that cluster right there, we're playing it right there. Then we're going 2, 5, 1. The same chords I gave you earlier. Unto the Lord, for he is good. Alright, here's where we change up at. We're going right here on the 3, we're playing this nice chord right here. It's a G flat minor chord. And we're on our 3. Then we're playing our C augmented chord on the 6. Next. For his mercies endureth. Let's stop right there. What we're doing is we're spelling out this A flat minor chord, just like the intro, right? We're going A flat, B, E flat. Now we're doing this nice effect, nice bounce effect. Mercies endureth. All right, what is that? We're on our 2. We're bouncing on this chord. This is a D flat 13 chord. We're just bouncing it. So we're going for his mercies. Now right here we're going to our 5 flat and we're playing this beautiful chord here. Grab it. Endureth. Now all we're doing is we're going to our 5 and we're playing this G flat dominant 7 chord. Forever. Alright, what is that? So we're going to our 3. We're bouncing on our G diminished 7 chord now. And then we're going up to our 6 flat. And we're still bouncing, right? Then we're going to our 6. And we're playing our A flat minor chord. We're doing that same walk up. Alright, that walk up is just on the 7. We're playing our G diminished 7 chord. Going up to our A flat minor chord on the 1. Then we're doing the same bounce. For your mercies endureth, right? Forever. Right, that's the song. Guys, guys, I hope that I was a blessing for you. Your homework is to learn this in every key. All right. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is everything is in a name. I remember working security at a quiet construction yard, long nights with nothing but my thoughts and the hum of machines. One night I was reading the Bible and stumbled across my name, Amiel, which means God's kinsman or God's people. Growing up, kids had teased me, twisting it into a meal or oatmeal. I never understood why my father chose it, and he passed away when I was 2. That night I discovered something remarkable. Amiel in the Bible had been a guard at a temple. Suddenly, my job didn't feel so ordinary. Even quietly guarding a construction yard, I realized I was part of a larger story. Watching, protecting, standing alert in my own way. The next morning, I gave a ride to an old man who reminded me of my grandfather. And he stepped out, he smiled and said, "By the way, my name is Samuel." My jaw dropped, my heart skipped a beat. Samuel, the very book I had spent that night reading. Life lesson. Names carry meaning, and parents who choose them with purpose can shape their children's character, identity, and calling. Even ordinary work can reflect a larger story, and life often reveals connections we weren't expecting. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. And again, Cynthia, thank you so much for that awesome request. Please request more. Guys, you know what? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard you say it, 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million.
And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us.
We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because the video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. You know what, guys? It takes 3 seconds. Some people say it takes a year. I don't believe that. I think it takes 3 seconds to hit that subscribe. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it. Hey, you just hit that bell. Guys, you have just made my day, my week, my month, my year, my decade. Yeah, all of that. And you know what? You're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.